Steam allows for what I think is the best gaming experience on Linux, and under Arch it's actually very easy to install. So let's open our terminal here. Now, using whatever text editor you prefer, in this case I'll be using Nano, we're going to edit our pacman configuration. So we'll do that right now. Okay, so if we scroll down, we will find this multilib repository that's commented out by default. Now we'll just have to enable it by removing the hashtags. Now we'll save our pacman configuration, then we'll run an update. Now let's just give this a second. Okay. Now this is going to take a while, so I'll just pause this. Okay, now that I have finished these updates here, we can then install Steam by running sudo pacman s steam. Now here it'll ask you for depending on which video card you use. Here on this laptop I use Intel, so I will select 3 and we will just let this download and install. Okay, so now Steam has finished installing and we can launch it here. So let's give it a second to finish. Okay, now that that's done, if you've successfully installed Steam, you should be greeted with the login screen here. That's about it. I hope that you found this useful.